Hey everyone, Luxinda Swirl here. So I got some new paints and I thought we would do another pour. I found this, I'm not even sure what, Faerie House maybe? Can you see that? At the dollar store. When I was there picking up essential items, I just happened to notice this. They put it out, I guess, for Easter maybe? Anyway, you can buy a bunch of different ones and I guess make a little fairy garden with them. But anyway, I thought this was cool. It looks sort of like a pine cone. I guess that's what it's supposed to be, a pine cone. But I figured it would be really cool to pour over this because it's got so many different nooks and crannies that it might give us a really interesting pattern on the canvas. I am reusing this canvas. This was from the light switch pour a while ago. Initially I liked it a lot, but the more it dried and the house paint in it cracked and sort of curdled, the less I liked it. So I'm just going to paint over it. We have today more Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints. I have a couple new colors. I have a yellow and I have, let's see, what a phthalo blue. I'm going to say phthalo right this time. For some reason the other day I was saying phthalo, but it's phthalo. And we need at least 6 ounces. I think we'll put more in this 9-ounce cup. Let's just put it here so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, I'm sorry, the colors I'm using. The colors I'm using are, well, let's see, that's bright yellow, metallic white, aqua green. I don't have any pink. I don't even know if they offer pink in this particular type of paint. Pink would be cool, sort of a pastel-y thing for the Faerie House, but we'll work with what we have. And my new phthalo blue. And I'm also going to use metallic gold, or old gold they call it, which I think is really pretty. And we're just going to cycle through these. Get ourselves a nice layered cup. Let's see. I also got a whole bunch of new paints from Blick. I didn't realize they have their own line. I don't know why that didn't occur to me. Somebody mentioned it on a forum post I was reading, that they were using Blick acrylics. Maybe it was another YouTuber I was watching. I thought, Blick acrylics, what's that? So I went on the blickarts.com website and found that they were having a huge sale on their Blick acrylics, so I bought some. This being stuck at home thing is hurting my pocketbook, believe it or not. Some of you can probably identify with that. Alright, we'll get all these paints out of the way and we'll do our pour. We'll see what happens. Here is our little pine cone house. And let's see how it goes. Looks pretty cool pattern-wise. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Over the house, or over the front window. Oh, that blue is lovely. I'm not really necessarily trying to repaint the Pinecone Fairy House, although if it turns out looking cool enough when it dries, I may put it out in my garden. Why not, right? Maybe I can put that in one of the planters I'm going to be painting before garden season officially starts here. Alrighty, put that over there. We're going to give this a minute to move out. I'll get you a close-up here. Here's a close-up of our Pinecone Fairy home. Definitely like the patterns it's making. All right. Paint off the bottom. Okay. And away we go. I do love how this paint behaves in stretching out pores. That is really pretty. Alright, let's see if I can actually cover my sides. I am so guilty of stopping before it goes over the edge, and then I have to fuss with the sides a lot more than I want to. Can do it. Alrighty. What do y'all think? Do you guys like using this particular type of pouring paint, the Artist Loft Ready Mix? Or do you prefer mixing your own? I like the idea of mixing my own, I just haven't come up with the greatest recipe yet for being happy with what I mix. I'm going to leave this for a few minutes and we'll come back and take a look, and I'll bring you down for the close-up. Hey everybody, we're back. It's been about 15 minutes since we finished the pour, and it doesn't look like anything's changed too drastically. This paint is not known for creating cells, which I kind of like actually. So let's do our close-up. Here is the lower right corner. You really can't see it, but the gold is actually all through these veins. Looks really pretty up close and not on the camera. Here is the upper right corner. We go across the top. There you can sort of get a hint of the gold there. Upper left. And down the left side. To the lower left corner. think that turned out really nicely. Let's see if we can get a... There we go. Sorry about the glare. Let me turn the direct overhead lights off and see if it gets better. I also wanted to give you a close-up of what happened to our little pinecone fairy house here. So this is what it looks like now that it's all painted. I actually think it looks really pretty. See you in the next video, everyone. Thank you.